So I upgraded my old incandescent tail lights to some LED tail lights. It's actually they're LEDs for the brake lights, turn signals, and incandescent for the reverse lights. They're super bright and they are a direct fit. Same company, Bargman, that makes the original ones. So these are the original tail lights. And I just wanted to replace them because they're kind of warped and one of the lenses is cracked on the other one and kind of burnt. These are not as bad as the other, but they're melted in the middle. They had the wrong bulbs in them at one time and it melted the lenses. So they were on Amazon. I think they were $100 or $110 for the set. So same wiring, you just got the black for the reverse light power. You got the black and green on the brake light, and then the black and green and the white on the turn signal. So exact same wiring on these. I just snipped these wires and twisted the new leads on and did a crimp, bell cap crimp on both of them. So everything is all good and sealed up. Used some clear sealant, got everything all sealed up, ready to go. Sashco Lexel elastic sealant, and I really like it. You can get it at Lowe's, and I think it's about $7 a tube. Been using the clear, and I've also got the white. And yeah, I really like this stuff. It's easy to work with, and when it's dry, it doesn't feel sticky or soft. It's like a tougher, little bit of a tougher seal. So easier to get a hold of than the GeoCell stuff. So I'm really happy with that. I was actually recommended on a.r.e, and there were a few people that really liked the stuff, so I thought I'd give it a try. So Lexel by Sashco, you can get it at Lowe's. Amazon carries it too. And I also replaced the piece of Phylon that was back here. It wasn't even Phylon, it was that it was the Luon with that vinyl paper adhesive on it. So I put a piece of fiberglass here and sealed everything up, and then I sprayed Undercoat, that rubber Undercoat, all underneath there, because that's plywood right there with metal framing, but and back there that's all plywood. So sealed everything up with that rubber seal, and then this new piece of fiberglass, and then all sealed up with the Lexel. That's over on this side. So we're all just about all loaded up and ready to go. I got everything waxed, washed and waxed and sealed, and just doing some little odds and ends stuff on the inside. Still have to make the bed, things like that. So, but getting ready to go on a camping trip finally. It's just about time to get a new set of tires on this thing. These are about 6 years old, and they've still got good tread, but the date code they're getting to where they're not safe. So I've been thinking about getting the BF Goodrich all-terrains, the new style all-terrains, or the Cooper Discovery. I'm not sure if you guys have any suggestions out there if you've used any of those tires on a F350 or any type of 1-ton dually, how they wear and how they ride and stuff like that. If you can give me any suggestions, that'd be great, because in the next couple weeks I'm going to replace these tires. Can't remember if I showed you guys the storage compartments, because you know I built that box on the inside. So this is the these are the obviously the ones that you can access from the outside, and this one's the same size. So just got a few little odds and ends, and you can throw the barbecue and stuff in here. So liking that, and all new slide out, new rubber seal and everything. That's about it for this video. Just wanted to show you the new tail lights, and yeah, this thing's ready to go. We're gonna 2 more days and we're gonna be on the road. So I'm gonna take off for 4 or 5 days, and then we'll be home for a couple of days, and then taking off again for another 4 or 5 days, and yeah, get this thing tested out. So anyway, we'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully we'll be on the road by then. Later.